Hi guys, for this roleplay, we are going to be doing Brookhaven roleplay, so let's get started.
Yeah, hit your subscribe.
Make sure to subscribe and like this video.
We will each give you a sticker. 5. Not interesting.
Okay, let's get started.
Good thing I still have a TV. I'm gonna watch Black TV.
I can't leave because then. Okay, so this roleplay calls My Mom is Secretly a Billionaire. So I'm the mom and me and my daughter are poor, but I am actually rich. Find out the end to see what is happening. It is a shocking part. So let's get started.
I'll just teleport right here, then my house will be right here.
Let's get started.
Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah.
Okay, sweetie, we had enough money to go in this lovely home. I just wish one day we were just like, I can't explain, like rich. We would never be rich.
I don't know.
So, at least we have 2 pizza slices and a great TV that actually works. Oh, well, mommy's gonna be right back, okay? Okay, I have to get out my clothes. Oh, let's see. Okay. You can't go. Okay.
Mommy!
I'm gonna be right back, sweetie. Oh. Okay, back to my beautiful house. Okay, I have to change really quick. Okay. Just keep going. Okay. Okay, let's go. Vroom, vroom. Vroom. The car.
I wonder where Mommy is. I wonder where Mommy is.
Oh, I forgot about the explosion. Let me go.
I don't have a phone. I do have iPad, but still.
God.
So I think I'm just gonna go in my garage and see what I can play with in there while Mommy's gone.
Boom. Ha. Got it. Ching.
Do we even have a rat? I'm just gonna get out the house.
Gun secure. Anyone here? Where can we find people? He looks good. Hey, knock it off right here. Huh? Cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. I got the money. Be right back, sir. Ha. Oh my god, I gotta get to the house quick and fast.
La la la, what a beautiful day. Can't reach that trash can.
Sweetie, what are you doing out here without Mommy's permission? What are you doing out here with Mommy's permission?
I'll take a little walk.
Without my permission, you wouldn't get stuck out here, you know that?
Mommy, put him down.
I can't. You know how bad this is. Oh, you can get kidnapped. Okay, well, Mommy's gonna be right back. You get in the house, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Love you.
Love you.
Gotta get this quick and fast. Perfect.
So great. Oh, come here.
Hide this in my closet. Hide this. And hide this. I don't know about this pizza. Okay, I gotta change. Let me just.
Mommy doesn't know my secret.
Oh, I forgot. I gotta take off this mask. Okay, perfect.
I'll just drink some water.
This is wonderful. Maybe I should tell my daughter that we're actually rich. Okay, I'm gonna tell her. Sweetie?
Yes?
I have something to tell you. We're actually really, really rich.
How?
Let me show you. Come. Delete this house. I had enough of this.
Bye-bye.
See? This is actually a real house.
Okay, show me where my bed is.
It's with a bunk bed.
Oh, I'm gonna go look for it.
You can go change if you want.
I found it. Yeah.
We're actually really rich.
This is so cute. I'm gonna get dressed, Mommy. This is so cute.
Well, Mommy's gonna head out the balcony to lay on my thing that I was telling you.
Let's see what we have in here.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this role play.
That was only like 5 minutes.
So, bye!